Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use two S608 to set up master-slave cascade. First, we need a wiring that includes two controllers. Open Map 4. Width and height are arbitrary. Select two hardware S608. Select the chip and channel order. We do quick wiring. Select port 1 and press K. Set the wiring size and order. Copy. Quick paste. Save. Output SD card file and copy the card. Select the second controller. After copying the card, insert the SD card into the card slot. And turn on the controller. This is the wiring diagram. We set the machine as a slave on controller 2. Switch the effect on the host. Everything is normal. The above is all about using S608 to cascade the master and slave. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.